Do you need to hide some of the outside edges of a graphic? You can instruct Word to crop or hide those outside edges by following the steps in this quick tip. Once you place a graphic in your document, you may decide to crop it, to trim the edges of the image, in other words. To do this, all you need to do is click on the graphic to select it. You can tell if it's selected because Word places handles around the graphic, and it also makes the Picture Format tab of the ribbon available. In fact, it's this Picture Format tab that we want to jump to. I select it, and then I want to choose the Crop tool over here at the right. Now I can click the down arrow and see some options for cropping, but basically what I want to do is I just want to click on the Crop tool itself. Notice that places crop marks at the corners and center of each side of the image. All you have to do then is just drag those crop marks in the direction that you want to go. So notice if I position the insertion point over the top of this crop mark, I can then click on it and drag up. And you can see that my picture will now be cropped just like that. I can also do the same thing with corners, where I can click on the corner and drag in and down if I want to. And that's going to affect how that image looks within the document itself. When you're done cropping the image, you can turn off the cropping by clicking again on the Crop tool or clicking anywhere in the main body of the text. Notice that my image now looks smaller than it did just a little while ago. Even though the image looks smaller or tighter, you should realize that cropping a graphic in Word does not make any changes to the actual graphic. Instead, cropping means that you're simply telling Word how much of the original graphic you want displayed. If the graphic is embedded in your document, then cropping it is not a way to reduce file size because the full complete graphic is still saved with the document. If you want to permanently delete the cropped areas and reduce the image file size, then you will need to use the Compress Pictures tool in the same Format tab in the Adjust group. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, well, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.